In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your PS5 games are crashing or freezing on your PS5. So the first thing you want to do is update your game by pressing the options button on your controller, and then we're going to check for an update. Now, if your game's already updated to the latest version, the next thing I recommend you do is go to Settings. From Settings, we're going to scroll down to System, and then you want to go to System Software and System Software Update and Settings, and make sure your PS5's up to date with the latest system software. Now, if you're still experiencing problems, the next thing you want to do is go back, and we're going to scroll down and go to Saved Data in Game/App Settings. Now, since it's a PS5 game, we're going to go to Save Data for PS5. Then we're going to select Upload or Delete from console storage. And what you want to do is upload your save file as a backup to cloud storage. So in this example, we're using Lies of P. So I'd upload this save file just so I don't lose it. Then what you want to do is delete the save file from your console storage. So the reason why we're doing this is we're going to play the game from the beginning without an existing game save to check if that game save was corrupted. So if that didn't work, the next thing you want to do is highlight the game and press the options button on your controller. Then you want to delete the game fully from your console and then download and reinstall it on your PS5. Now, if you're still experiencing issues, a drastic measure you could take is resetting your entire console. So to do that, select Settings in the top right corner, then scroll down to System. From System, scroll over to the right and scroll down to Reset Options. Then you just want to scroll down and go to Reset Your Console. Do bear in mind this is going to delete everything on it, so it's like brand new. And if you're still experiencing problems with crashing or freezing with multiple games, you may need to bring your PS5 in for repair. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.